There's two erupts.
You gotta delay. I guess I do.
So far, we've lucked out. No rain. We didn't get them today. Hopefully tomorrow. No, that actually is not a Faust.
Anything else, Alan?
Don't jinx it, Mom.
Thank you.
If I could close the walkway, I would.
Okay. Hey, hey.
Hi, Stacey.
Hey, hey.
I feel no shame, I'm proud of where I came from. I was born in rain and a bone died. So I digs it. Thanks. Look at other people. Coming up tonight, shining through the trees. Crickets are singing, lightning bugs are floating on a breeze. Baby, get ready. Cool, yeah, sounds good over here, man.
They haven't started yet. They start at 8:30. Yeah, just one show. We'll find out. Well, he put it to the test just then.
Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise. I got my window down.
You're welcome.
Get your radio up. Yeah, when I first started the King Tom Horner, popping right out of South Door.
Yeah, I sat here all day.
Help myself, so I walked up and said, baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my window down and cruise. Down the back road, going down the side to the middle, every little corner down. In this brand new Chevy with a little kid, look around and I'm better with you walking in the grave. Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my window down and cruise.
I wish you were too, James.
Sweet. All right, well, thanks for hanging out with us for Soundcheck, y'all.
We'll be back in about an hour, but if you get bored, we do have merchandise for sale already to your right.
And there's plenty of beer still.
Yeah. If the weather permits, we are going to be signing whatever you purchase later, so. And while you're at it, pull out your phones and pull up iTunes and download our brand new album, Country Evolution. It's available for pre-order. And if you pre-order, you get 4 tracks right off the bat. We'll see you guys in about an hour.
So I may not Periscope much tonight actually because I want to get all the new songs to put up on YouTube. So one way or the other you will get video from tonight. So I may not Periscope unless it's an older song. The new songs I am going to record for YouTube. So I'll try to Periscope as much as I can, guys, but I really want to get you the new songs for YouTube. So
Oh, I'm just watching.
All right, see you guys later.
Bye.
Melanie says bye.